All right, we're gonna do an install video quick on the our cooler or washer reservoir guard from Hefty Fabworks. This is just a quick install video. We have these in stock ready to ship all the time. It's a good product. It just kind of drops in and protects the exposed washer reservoir once you have an aftermarket bumper. We are currently halfway through an install on a bumper here, but wanted to do this install video. We've had a lot of calls coming in asking how to do the install. In your kit, you're going to get your relocation or your skid. It will come raw steel, so you do have to paint it or coat it. If you're local, you can call us, and we do have a couple of them installed or with powder coating, but they do come raw or bare steel. In that kit, you're going to receive a couple U-washers. You will receive an 8mm bolt, and you will receive a 12mm bolt and washer on that. So what we're going to do, this is going to install, on this one we have a bumper bracket already in place up here. We're going to be installing into a hole down on the side on the cross member here. And then as well up into the power steering cooler line, there's a bracket right here. We're going to pull the bolt out of that bracket. This is going to slide up behind that bracket, so we're going to pull the bracket away from the truck, slide this up in behind, and then with a aftermarket bumper bracket, that's where these little shims are going to come into place, because we're actually going to have to shim this out a little bit on the top to make it work with the aftermarket bumper brackets. So the install is pretty simple. This is his fog light wiring, but all we're going to do here is we're pulling this in here. We're going to pull that bracket back out of the way, and it's going to slide right back kind of up in between, and then start the big bolt down here. And with the bumper on there, it can be a little tricky because we do have to kind of move the bumper bracket, get it all to line up and work together. Okay, with that started, we're going to make sure all our lines are kind of out of the way. And then up here, because we've got this 1/4 inch plate, we're going to use 2 shims on this one. It should be equal out to about 1/4 inch. And basically we're going to drop these in. So I'm going to start the bolt here. So I go through the power steering cooler line bracket into the bracket for the washer skid. And we're going to go up in here and get that started. And once that bolt is started, then we can take these 2 U-washers and we can actually drop them in from the top side behind this. And it takes a little bit to get them in there, but they're not too bad. First one. And the second one. Oop, dropped them both. Do it again. So that is a 13mm, and then this one down here is a 19mm. And that is the entire installation of the washer reservoir skid. Order yours today, heftyfab.com. Visit us on our social media at Hefty Fab on Instagram and at Hefty Fabworks on Facebook. I think we're on TikTok too under Hefty Fab. Anyway, visit us online and order on heftyfab.com. We'll see you guys later.